Good afternoon, class. So today we are making fried rice with basmati rice. So these are the things that we need: fried rice, basmati fried rice with shredded beef or chicken sauce. But we're using chicken instead of beef. So we are making use of chicken. We have our long grain basmati rice here. We have fried kidney beans, green peas, sweet corn, diced carrots, curry. We have oyster sauce, sesame oil, diced onions, our already grated garlic and ginger. We have what's it? Rodo. There's spring onions, sausages, corner beans, red bell pepper, green red pepper, bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. We have tomatoes and another bell pepper for the shredded beef. We have our groundnut oil and salt to taste. Then the lettuce is just for garnishing. We have our eggs. The name of what we are making today is basmati fried rice and shredded chicken sauce. Thank you.